guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on Nykaa's new lipstick launches. These are the made to last liquid lipsticks. So I got two shades, Bombay and one is Khoobsurat. So I like the names, they are very nice. They are city based, so I like the packaging also. It's very chubby. I thought it would be small and just coming in a small tube, but it is having that a cute carton outside. And let's open and now swatch. And this video is basically not a swatch video. I'm not having all the shades. I'm basically showing you what I got myself, and also I'm gonna be doing a live, full day test, and that will be, I think, the better review for a liquid lipstick because they should last all day. They have to be very long wearing for a matte lipstick. They have to be long lasting, and since I'm going out today, out of town, and I think it's a perfect day to try out. I'm going to a blog event, so I will wear the shade Bombay most probably. I'm not into a pink lipstick mood today. As usual, I'm in a nude lipstick mood today, but I'll be swatching the shade Khoobsurat for you as well, and then I will be doing the live test and check-ins throughout the day for you guys. So let's get started. Firstly, I will be showing you Khoobsurat because I'll be removing it and wearing Bombay obviously. So let's open it. So this is the packaging. I'm wearing Khoobsurat before, just to show you the swatch. This is how it looks inside. The color kind of coordinates with the shade inside. Okay, it's a lighter pink than I thought it would be. It looks like a mini tube, but I hope this has good quantity. I'll just wear and see the rest stuff later on. So guys, this is one swipe, and you can see this is kind of a lighter pink than I thought it would be, and it's going with the shade, the dress I'm wearing and everything, and it looks really nice. But I'm still gonna wear the nude, so sorry. So it looks good initially, and kind of dried down pretty quickly. So suit up to medium skin tones. It can wash out to the deepest, the tanner skin tone. So it's very pretty. It's very subtle pink. Good for summer. It's very pretty. Now just gonna remove it and wear the shade which I'm gonna test throughout the day, which is Bombay. Now that's my shade. Pretty good on my skin tone, and it looks very nice nude brownie kind of corally peachy nude, and it's good for summer. Somebody who wants to wear a lot of nude shades and loves to hold nude shades and it can never have enough of nude shades. I just hope that it stays throughout the day and is good. It's not having that much bad impact on my lips. Also, because I'm going out for an event, I just hope it stays. Be carrying it with me in case I do retouch. I will be sharing it with you in the video, whatever I do, because it's a long day. I'm going out and I will be coming back in the evening, and it's just 9:30 in the morning. So let's see how it goes, and I'll be updating you shortly. Stay tuned. So it's been like 2.5 hours since I'm wearing this, so you can see how it looks. In the mirror it looks very okay, it's not moving or anything like that. It's not cracking for now, and yeah, my lips feel a little bit dry, but that's with every kind of lipstick in the world. So far so fine, and I like the shade. That's basically what I brought it for. The shade was very pretty, and I hope it stays for the day like this. I'll be eating some food in some time, and then I'll be doing check-in again and see. Hi guys, I'm back after 2 hours of the previous video. So I had something to eat. Obviously I didn't eat anything in the morning, so I had to have something in between the route. So I had a big wrap. I had to use my mouth, obviously it touched the wrap, and it got a little bit transfer on that. So you can see it's slightly moved, and I can definitely tell that it's not as perfect as before, like the time I just applied it, or after 2 hours of wear it was looking good, but now it's looking slightly like I have to retouch it, guys. So since I'm going to an event, I will have to retouch it. I tried my best, but I have to retouch it. So it's like, I think 4 to 5 hours wear of product. Everyone wants to eat something in mid day. So if you're wearing it in the morning, if you eat something, you will have to retouch it afterwards. And yeah, that is what I can say for now. Let's see how it wears if I apply another layer on top of it, if it's gonna sit well. So I'll be back just after retouching it, and you can see it's looking very nice, and it's set on the original lipstick layer very well, and it's just looking like I have just applied it like fresh. So I like it. For now, I think the event will be going great so far as my lipstick is concerned, because I was a little bit nervous how my lipstick will be looking at by the end of 4-5 hours. So I'm happy about that. And also I feel that the price is okay. It's not very affordable. It's 4.5 ml, and if you compare it with the NYX, they are 8 ml, like literally almost double, and they also are around 600. So it's great that NYX makes amazing priced lipsticks at and then quantity is great. Also packaging is not very fascinating to me. I think that's okay. The applicator is nice, but not the packaging is not very fancy to me. It could have been more simple but more better shape, like a NYX one or anything. Like it could have been just a normal lipstick shape. So that's what I can say for now. I'll see you again in my last check-in in the afternoon. So it's raining outside and we are back on our way back, and it's kind of raining for me to film, and the light is almost, it's looking like it's 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. but it's 7 p.m. It's usually day light at this time, but it got dark very soon this day. So you can see how my lips look. They look like I have obviously eaten something. I had lunch and I had some tea and green tea. So my lips are feeling very dry. I just want to take off the lipstick, and I also feel that they are crumbling. Like, can you see? It's coming off like in chunks. Maybe because I applied a second layer, it was not good to apply second layer on top, or maybe because the things I didn't react well to the lipsticks formula. That happens with many lipsticks, even with sometimes with high-end lipsticks that happens. With some kind of food it happens. I don't know what sort of food is that, but I think it was okay up till 4 to 5 hours, but after that it was getting worse. So the lipstick is okay for 4 to 5 hours of wear. I don't think so it's okay for very long day, and 8-hour wear. No, it's not. You will have to touch up after 4 hours, because obviously you're gonna eat something. So that's what my take is, and this is my last check-in for the day. Give this one 3.5 out of 5. So that is what I feel. And if you have tried any of these range, do let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this, and what shades are your favorite for your skin tones. So guys, hope you liked the video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. For more updates, also click the bell button below so that you can be notified on the future uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.